flash flood warning for Bryan County in southeastern Georgia, Chatham County in southeastern Georgia, until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Fuller, Richmond Hill, Windsor Forest, Hunter Army Airfield, Coffee Bluff, Midtown Savannah, Downtown Savannah, the Interstate 16, Interstate 95 interchange, Hutchinson Island and Montgomery. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.